Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to transfer your FC mobile account to another phone. So, let's begin with the video. First of all, open your FC mobile account on your existing phone. Once you're on the main interface, you will see a gear icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. This will open the settings menu. Here, under the account management section, you will see the Link Accounts option. Tap on it. You'll notice a message stating that players will receive a reward only when linking their account for the first time. So, if it's your first time linking, you'll get an in-game reward. You can link your account to one of the available options: EA account, Facebook, Game Center, or Apple account. If you already have an EA account that's connected to other EA games, you can simply log in using it. You also have the option to link your account with Facebook, Game Center, or Up. Once you've linked your account with any of these options, you just need to download FC Mobile on your new phone. After installing, open the game and log in with the same linked account you used earlier. This will transfer all your game data to the new device automatically. When you log in on the other phone with your linked account, all your progress and data will be restored. It's a very simple process that takes just 2 to 3 steps. And that's how you can transfer your FC Mobile account to another phone. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you found it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.